So, hey guys, my name is Ellis Dudley, and I am the president and owner of DAS LLC, formerly known as Dudley Accounting Services. And today's video, we're going to be talking about how you guys can make a fatter refund. A lot of you guys may know me or may not know me. I attended Eastern Illinois, received my accounting degree there, and I went on to work at Grant Thornton at a public accounting firm where I learned a lot about corporations and I learned a lot about working with difficult people too. But I was just got burned out, and I'm just like, let me help those on the ground level, those individuals that really need my help and really need to learn financial education so they can get ahead in life. So I dedicated my life to that. That's the reason why I do what I do. That's why I study what I study. That's why I have the personality that I do. I want to help the next person be better in life, and that helps me in turn be better in life. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how we can make a bigger refund. I hate having clients who had a tax due bill or had a small refund. Like, I just hated breaking that news to them. So I want to do my best to get you guys prepared. Today is October 1st. We have literally 3 months left of 2019. So we want to take advantage of this so we can definitely get a bigger tax refund. So, with that being said, the way we get a bigger tax refund is not based off of some magic trick or anything like that. It's based off of planning. So, what we want to do as individuals, we want to understand that if you receive a W 2 from an employer and you get that paycheck every other week or every month, you want to know that it's an amount on those paychecks that's called the federal withholdings amount. The employer is legally obligated to withhold a certain amount from each of their employees' paycheck. But a lot of people don't know that we as the employees have to go in and manually adjust our withholding allowance every year, every single year. So what happened and what hit a lot of clients last year hard was the tax reform. It was enacted in 2017 and went into effect in 2018, and a lot of employers were slow with adjusting the federal withholdings amount. And when they were slow with adjusting it, a lot of people just got a default withholdings allowance of one. And a lot of people just didn't know this. So come tax season, they got a tax due bill or they had a small tax refund. And what we want to do is, as the employee, we want to manually go in and fill out this W 4 form. This W 4 form tells the employer how much to take out of our paychecks. You get that? This W 4 form tells our employer how much to take out of our paychecks each pay period. So, with that being said, we want to have a federal withholding allowance amount on our W 4 of zero. When we put the zero, they will take the most out of our paychecks. And this may sound backwards, like why would I want them to take the most out of my paychecks? But think about it. If you put a 5 on your W 4 and you have, like, say 5 kids, you have 5 dependents, put a 5, they're not going to take that much out of your paycheck. You're going to have that money to spend throughout the year, and say you just spend that money, and then come tax season, when you're ready to file your taxes, you have this huge tax liability that you don't have any federal withholdings to cover. So to break this down, we want to have a federal withholdings amount that is larger than our tax liability. So the tax reform actually did us a favor in increasing the standard deduction. So I put the table here for 2019. This is our new standard deduction table. So that being said, when you have this standard deduction amount, your income, if it's over the standard deduction amount that you qualify for, you have a tax liability now. Now, when you have that tax liability over your standard deduction, your federal withholdings amount kicks in and covers that tax liability. Then, if you have an overpayment, you have access. That is our refund. There's no really magical formula that the government is just giving out this money. Unless you have the child tax credit, the earned income credit, or the American Opportunity Learning Credit, you don't really receive money from the government that is not already yours. So what we want to do is adjust our W-4 form. Here it goes again, and I'll put a link down in the description to the form, and a link to my scheduling site, so you can schedule an appointment with me, and I will walk you through how to fill out this certificate and submit it to your employer. We want to hop on this ASAP, like within the next couple days. We're gonna hop on this ASAP so we can get this done. Like I said, we only had 3 months left out of the year. 3 months left in 2019. And I know you guys want a fat refund. I want you guys to have a fat refund. I don't want to come to clients and tell them like, hey, you have a tax due bill, like you have to pay this and then you have to pay me for my services. I hate doing that. I want you guys to have a fat refund. I want you guys to be happy. Like I said, my link is in the description to make an appointment with me, and I will walk you through and send you over the W-4 form so you can fill it out. Um, and this has been as a tip for me and my accounting firm. You definitely be hearing a lot more financial education videos coming from me and my team. I hope you guys act and execute on this information gathered throughout this video. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.